So welcome to the Park Plaza here in Bangkok. We're on Soi 18. We're in one of two Park Plazas. There's another one on Soi 16, but yeah, this is the one on Soi 18. First of 3 nights here, so I thought I'd do a room tour. Yep, you got your bathroom there. That's the entrance. Yet. That's the one. Park Plaza. Put that one in there. And you get your do not disturb, makeup room, buttons there. So yeah, we'll check out the bathroom first. You get quite a big shower space there. Not tried the shower yet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeah, you got some hand towels, big towels. Yep, toilet. There's no bum gun, which is quite surprising. Yep, got your sink. You got a socket there for your charging and everything. Yep, you get toiletries. I think it's just their own brand. Vanity kit. Got shampoos, soaps. This one's mine. Got some glasses, tissues. It's quite a big bathroom. There's even a speaker up there. It's the room here, but you can just close this one like this if you need to. Yep, I'll show you the bath. Yep, you get your upstairs shower, your shower head. Got a little space here. Those are all mine, but you got a space for your to put your things. I'll show you this bit. This is a storage space with a safety deposit box. That one there. Some hangers, some slippers, and a yoga mat, I think. Yep, got one of those torches. A bit more storage space. Let's have a look in here. Laundry. Let's see how much laundry is. What have we got? Socks, 40 baht. Jeans, 130 baht. T-shirt, 40 baht. It's not too bad actually, compared to some other hotels. You get a 5-hour express laundry, 100% surcharge applies. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, that's where we are, Soi 18. Quite a good location. Yep, that's the closet. So I'll show you the room. Get quite a big bed. This is a double room, but you can get 2 singles if you want. Got your switches and everything, your master switch, reading lamp. That's a night table here. No goodies in there. Got your TV over here. Got boomerang on. Yep, you've got your air conditioning's up there. We'll check this out in a minute. But yeah, the air conditioning, it's there. You can control it through that one. Again, you've got a master switch. It's charging. Got a notepad. Satisfaction card. Feedback if you've got any feedback. Get 2 phones in this room actually. You get one there and also one over here. Yep, got a little sofa there. I'll show you the view, but it's not the view's not great. It's actually at the back of the hotel, which is it's actually better if you don't want the noise of the traffic outside. Yep, I think that's just an apartment complex next to us. Yeah, nothing too exciting. Yeah, you get a desk area here, which is nice. You get a proper computer chair. So look, you got what's this? Massage. I think you can order a massage to the room. So you got 1 hour, 700 baht. It's not too bad actually. Foot massage, 450 baht. That's actually not bad. You can usually get foot massage for about 200, 300 baht, something like that. Body scrub. Yeah, you get all these different types of massages and stuff. I think this is the this must be the menus, food menu and everything. Guest services. Oh, it tells you what all the different buttons on the phone and everything new. Yep, got all this stuff. Yep, get a lamp and everything. Not sure what this is. I think this might be for internet. Hey, it must be. So that one plugs into there. So maybe I'll try that out, see if that actually works. I've not tested the Wi-Fi yet, but I'll let you know what the speeds are. There's some drawers. Oh yeah, some drawers in here. Storage. Yep, some storage. Let's have a look over here. So you got your Gordons, gin, no smoking, durians. Sale 30 baht. Oh, here we go. We've got a menu here. All these different things. What's some gin? 500 baht, 470 baht. Beer, 120 baht. Put all these things on discount because they can't sell them, I think. Probably close to the expiry. Best before, yeah. Getting close, that's why. Yep, got your teas, your coffees. Pickwick, never heard of that. Pickwick. Got your Camellia green tea. Yep, got a kettle, some more charging ports there. You get a fridge down here. I think it's just a fridge, yeah, not a fridge, freezer. Yep, got your Cokes, Sprites. Is that Gatorade? Yep, Gatorade. What's this one? Oh, Red Bull. Even this one's on sale. Look, 30 baht. Looks a bit cheap and tacky when they do it like that. But anyway, Hershey bar. That Starbucks one is mine. Cheesecake. Free birthday cheesecake. Yep, TV. TV is just a standard full HD one. But you do get a... I think that's a Blu-ray player. I think it might be a Blu-ray player or just standard DVD player. Yep. Got there's more storage here actually. There's one there. There's one here. I never really bother using them. But yeah, that's the room, people. Not too bad. Yeah, I'll show you what the Wi-Fi speeds are and everything. I'll have to give that a test. Yeah, you get a bit cool sort of painting there. Wallpaper. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you the Wi-Fi speed. It's roughly about 15 megabytes per second. Yeah, 12, 13, about 15 upload as well. 16, oh, 17. Yeah, it's not too bad. This is with a VPN as well because apparently the Wi-Fi is not secure. But that's not too bad.